In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create product selling campaign for YouTube in Google Ads. So if you have product which you sell online, then you should create a product selling campaign for YouTube. So hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. I hope you guys are doing great today. Let's directly jump into my Google Ads account and learn how to create a product selling campaign. So guys, as you can see right now I am in my Google Ads account. Now before starting the campaign creation process, let me tell you just few things. Like the campaign creation process is almost same. We are just going to tweak few things like call to action button or our URL and all, right? But the thing is, if you want to really sell your products, you have to create a content which can sell or which can generate sales, right? Because this is totally a video based campaign where the user response is totally based on video which you are creating. So it is very important to create a proper 30-second, 1 minute or 1.5 minute. But the thing is, the video which you are creating can really generate sales, right? So this is the main thing. Now let's directly jump into our campaign creation process. Now for that, obviously you have to click on this create new campaign button and again click on new campaign. Now here you have to select the objective. So obviously we are going with sales campaign, so we can select this sales campaign, or if you want any kind of other conversion like leads, so you can select these. But in order to access all the settings, all the important options which we can customize, I'm going with create a campaign without goal guidance. This is basically for advanced advertisers. If you are an advanced or you have idea that how Google Ads works, you can go with a create a campaign without goal guidance option, right? Now here obviously we are going to select video ad campaign. Now once you select video ad campaign, here you have to select the subtype. Now in subtype I'm going to select get views option because it has skippable and in feed video ads option, right? So we are going to select between these two options. As you can see, skippable and in feed video ads. Now let me continue. Now here you can name your campaign, whatever the name you want to add to this campaign you can add, right? Otherwise you can leave it as it is, but you have to know that this campaign is for sales and you should be able to recognize the campaign, right? Now in bidding strategy we do have only one option, which is cost per view. So if we could CPM, cost per milestone, that was a good thing, but we are not getting any option over here, so let's go with the CPV, cost per view, right? Now we can't do anything in bidding strategy. Let's directly jump into budget and dates. So here you have to set your daily budget or total campaign budget. So whatever the thing suits you, you can go with this, right? So I am going with daily budget and I am putting around 1600 rupees, which is around $20 a day. This is my daily budget, right? Now here you can set your campaign start and end date. Now if you want, let's say you don't want to run your campaign from today onwards, so you can change the starting date and you can add the end date as well. Then in network, YouTube has been already selected. Now you have only access, either you want to show your ads on Google Display Network or not, right? So I'm turning this option off because I just want to show my ads on YouTube. So network is done from my side, but it depends on you. It depends on your business niche and business category, that uh, if it can perform on GDN, so you can go with. Then location, in location I'll be selecting the whole country, but if you want to set any specific location, specific target city or any kind of area, postal code wise or radius wise, you can set from here. You just have to search the city or the postal code and you will be able to target, right? Even if you want to exclude any location, you will be able to do that as well. But for a time being, I'm going with the whole country option. I'm targeting India right now. In your case, it can be anything else like US, Canada, or any other country. Now in languages, it's defaultly selected English and Hindi because my audience is English and Hindi speaking. But if your audience speaks any other language, you can add that as well, right? It means you can remove these languages and you can add those, or you can add multiple languages as well. Like I'm adding Hindi again, right? Now In related videos, I'm not adding any related videos right now, although it shows that it will help you to increase the engagement, but there's no guarantee that you will get improved engagement, right? So it is totally up to you. If you want to add, you can add, right? Then we have product feed option. If you want to sell your products directly from Google Merchant Center, let's say you have created your Merchant Center account and you want to sell your products directly from there, so you can check this box on, right? So that with your ad, the Merchant Center product can also be shown in the ad, right? First you just have to check this box, and here you can select the store which you have approved or which you have connected with your Google ad account, right? But for now I'm not going with this one, but this is also good for sales if you want to sell your products through Merchant Center, right? Now in additional settings, we do get few more important options like device, frequency capping, and ad schedule. So let's start with device. Basically, if you want to show your ads on any specific device, let's say you just want to show your ads on tablets, so you can turn other things off and you can just show your ads on tablets, right? So you can target on the device basis, operating system basis, device model basis. If you click on these, you will be able to see different brands, different models, right? So tons of options you get here. Then even you can go with network basis as well, right? So in India, if you click, here are the networks. So if you want to show your ad on any particular network, you can do that as well. But for now, I want to show my ads on all eligible devices. Now in frequency capping is like how many times you want to show your ad to the same user, right? So in frequency capping, we do get two options: impression frequency and view frequency. Impression frequency is like if the video is appeared in our target audience's device, but the viewer or the user hasn't done any interaction or hasn't viewed the ad properly, right? So that will be counted as a impression, right? So impression capping, I'm giving 10. No, 10 is very high. I think 5 would be fine for now. If you want, you can increase the number, because this is impression, and impression is like the viewer is not showing interest towards your ad. So you can increase the impression so that the same user can see the ad 10 times, 20 times a day, right? So that they can recall your brand. So right now I'm adding 5 times a day, and then I'll be adding week, around 20 times a week, and 50 times a month. So this is the maximum number. Google will not go maximum than this. So my same user will see 50 times my ad in a month, right? And 20 times in a week, and 5 times, maximum of 5 times a day, right? This is what I've done with impression frequency. Now we do have view frequency. So let's say my audience have interacted with my user, sorry, with my ad. Now I don't want them to bother again and again. I don't want to bother them again and again. So what I will be doing, I'll add only two, so that the user can see, or the user can just recall that there is a brand, right? So I've just added 2 per day and 5 per week, and I don't want to add monthly basis, right? So I've added this one. Frequency capping is done. Now you can schedule your ads using this option as well, right? So what is scheduling means? Basically, let's say you just want to show your ads on any specific days. So what you can do is you can set those days like Monday, then here you can set Wednesday, then here you can set any different days like Saturday. Even you can set the timings as well, right? So this is so beneficial if you want to schedule your ads properly, right? So that you don't waste your hard-earned money on spending extra, right? But for now, I just want to run my ads all day, all night, and every day, right? Third party measurement is not so important. There's no any option to do with. Then we do have ad group name. So whatever the name you want to add here, you can add it. Otherwise you can leave it as it is. Now here we do get two options: people and content. So whom you want to show your ad and how you want to show your ad. So these are two options we get: whom you want to show and how you want to show, right? So let's here define our audience on a demographical basis. So how we can define our audience, like who is your target audience? If your product which can be sold to only females, so you can set here, but as we are selling bodybuilding supplement, so that can be taken by any gender. Yeah, we are creating this ad for bodybuilding product, right? Bodybuilding supplement product, right? Now age can be anything, parental status can be anything, and household income can be anything here. So I'm not doing any changes here because bodybuilding supplements can be taken by anyone, but here I can do one tweak. If the person is 65 plus, then my ads will be not gonna show them, right? So this is what I've done here in the age bracket. I just want to show because I think that my majority of audience lies between in this age bracket 18 to 64. It's done, right? So I've done with my demographics. Now in audience segment is basically you can set some predefined audience from here, right? You can search the predefined audience. Let's say you are selecting fitness, searching fitness, right? So in fitness you can select these type of audience. In market audience these are, then fitness service, women fitness tips, fit health and fitness. So these are in market audience who are in the market right now. Basically in the market means who are searching for the fitness products or fitness related services right now. Or if you have created any custom audience, that can also be targeted from here. Custom audience means, let's say you have your own YouTube channel. So what you can do is you can add your Google ad account and you can track those users and you can create a list of those users and you can directly target those users from here. And same thing you can do with your website as well. You can track your website's visitor and you can target the list of those visitors, right? So this is how, or this is what audience segment option do, right? Now how you want to show your ad to the users, right? So you can target on a keyword basis, topic basis, and placement basis. So either you can go with keywords, topics, or placement. You can't select all of these, or you can't select two of these. You just have to select any one targeting option, right? So on a keyword basis, let's say my user targets these type searches these type of keywords, so you can add those keywords, and whenever the user searches that particular type of keyword which you have added here, will be automatically able to see your ads, right? Then on a topic basis you can set the topic. Let's say I want to target fitness industry, right? Because I have fitness supplement product, so I'll be searching here fitness, or I can search bodybuilding as well, like as you can see here. So fitness technology product I can select, and I can select weight loss product as well because I'm selling that kind of products as well. Right now let me search here supplement. If we get something these type of topics, no, there's no fitness supplement type of topic, so I have to select between these topics only. So cardio training equipment, not for me. Weight and strength training equipment, not for me. This one would be okay. Gyms and health clubs, because people who comes under gyms and health clubs can be my target audience, right? Then high intensity interval training, not sure about that. So let's go with this much traffic only. This is around 64 million impressions, right? So good amount of traffic here. So let's go with these three targetings only. Now I'm done with my targeting. Let me close the topic. So this is what topic I have done. Now I don't told you about the placement. Placement is basically let's say you just want to show your ad on any specific YouTube channel or any specific YouTube video, so you can do with placement option, right? So this is what placement option gives you. Now once you are done with your content option, now we are into our ad creation process. Here we have to create a ad, right? So how? First you have to paste the URL of your video. Let me copy the URL. So guys, I'm taking this video's link. This is the video I have chosen, right? And this is the, as I already told you, that bodybuilding supplement product I'm going to promote, right? So this is bodybuilding supplement product brand, right? So I've copied the URL. Now I'm going to paste the URL here so that it can automatically fetch whatever the video is, right? So I've pasted here. Now it is around 34-second video, right? You can go up to 1 minute and 1.5 minute, 2 minute. It is based on you, basically based on your business, and totally up to you that which type of ad you are creating, right? I mean, not ad, the video I'm talking about. Now here you can select either in skippable in stream ad or in feed video ad. So we are selecting skippable in stream ads, right? This is the campaign subtype I have chosen here. Now here I have to add the final URL where I want to redirect my users. So the website will be realway.in. This is a website. I'm just copying the URL and pasting here, right? So that the user can redirect to this website's homepage, right? Paste. Now if you want to change the display URL, you can do, but if it is looking good, so you can leave it. This is basically for if your URL is too long or if your URL is looks very ugly, then you can change it, right? Now here obviously we are going to add a call to action, and the call to action will be shop now, or shop now would be fine here, right? We have added shop now. In the headline the brand name is here, but let's say I'm promoting any one particular product, which let's say in their product we do have alpha whey protein, so I am just promoting this one. So copy the URL. So obviously I have to add the alpha whey proteins landing page, but I'm just showing you, I'm just giving you the demo, right? I'm pasting the alpha whey protein name here, and as you can see it is exceeding the limit. So let me do one thing, just let me add whey protein here right now. Now here, okay, let me take the URL and paste it here, the specific URL basically, right? And I paste it here. So now as you can see the URL is too long, but the display URL I have taken, let's display URL keep this only, right? realway.in. Now in add URL option, basically if you want to track your campaign performance with your tracking template, you can add those tracking template here, otherwise you can leave it, right? If you don't want to do it, or if you don't know how to do it, then leave this option. That is not so important. Now here you can create your companion banner. Basically companion banner shows only in computers like laptops or in desktops. So if you don't know what is companion banner, let me click on the PC mode. Whenever your ad shows here, your companion banner will be shown here in YouTube, right? So if you haven't created your companion banner, you can create and upload that companion banner. And this is the size, this is the basically this dimension and the file size you can use in order to create a companion banner. And if you don't want to create, you can select this option. This will auto generate your companion banner using your channel banner, right? YouTube channels banner. So in my case the companion banner will be looking like this, right? This is our channels banner, right? Now here you can add the name of your ad, this particular ad. Now in ad creation you can create multiple ads like this, which we have created here, right? So in order to get good results, you can create 2 or 3 multiple ads. I'm not going to create 2 or 3 here because I'm just showing you the process, which is the exact process. Now you can create the basically you can copy the same process to create more ads, right? You just have to click here plus icon and you'll be able to create this ad. Like uh, basically you will be able to follow the same process and the ad will be created, right? So I hope you understood the process. Now here we have to add the cost per view. So what is the maximum cost per view you are willing to pay, right? Here it is showing it is 0.82 rupees. This is the suggested amount which Google is suggesting me. So I'm using the suggested amount, and according to this CPV, your estimated performance will be shown here. If you increase the number, let's say I increase it to 0.50, right? 1.50. So the estimated performance will also increase, right? So this is how you can set your CPV and click on create campaign button. Everything is done here. The 4-step process is properly done. Okay, it is showing that the video doesn't meet editorial guidelines. So there's showing some issues because we have taken the video from here, because that's why it is showing some issues. So let me do one thing, let me change the video. So guys, I copied the new URL. Let me do one thing, let me change the video. I'm pasting again I'm creating, everything is same as it is, right? Skippable in stream ads we are running. I've just changed the video and this is around 1 minute 47 seconds. So I think there would be no issue with this particular video, right? So again, click on create campaign and the campaign creation is done. So the issue was due to some guidelines violation in that particular video. So whenever you are creating your ad video, first go through all the YouTube guidelines violation, right? Basically go through all the YouTube guidelines before creating the video, because if you add something which violates the guideline of YouTube, then you might be not able to create your campaign, right? So as you can see, our campaign is done, our campaign creation process is done. And now let me go to campaign directly, and now once my campaign gets approved, my results will be shown here. I'll be able to see the data here once my campaign starts getting results, right? So I hope you understood the process. I hope you learned from this video. If you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, again, I want to mention that one thing, that the main element of your sales video campaign is your video which you are creating. If it is converting, then you'll be able to see results. Otherwise there's no any other thing, otherwise there's no any extra settings we have done in our campaign. The main thing is that how you are creating your video. It can be 30 seconds, it can be 1 minute or 2 minutes, as I shown you that at the end I used 1 minute 47-second video, right? So it is up to you that whatever the length you are choosing. I hope you understood. We'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.